morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. And I got my water.
You
Good
got a
morning,
water
ma'am.
bottle? That's
Good
nice.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Milan.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Hashin.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, who else is here? Where are the others? Those who
I
are
don't
not.
know. They must be sleeping.
Then we will not give them attendance. Aishin has turned on the camera today.
Hello.
That's nice. Who is? Hi, Barira. What are you doing
Hello.
on camera?
Hello.
Hi.
Ma'am,
Okay.
where is Virida's background?
Barira. Okay. Amila and Jawan.
Listen, what? Laugh again. Laugh again. What is that? Someone.
Okay, Barira, can you mute? Please don't
Oh my
mute.
god.
Thank you, Barira.
Oh my god.
Jawan, turn on your camera. Hi, Han. Han, your brother is not supposed to enter the class today. You know that, right? Amila, turn on your camera. You cannot turn off the camera. Who is presenting today? No one is
Did
presenting.
he make?
Someone said yesterday they are going to make
It was laser.
Laser and Sidra.
Good
Both of
morning,
them said
ma'am.
they.
I
Good
didn't
morning,
say.
Sidra. Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I have proof. How many of you think that Laser said yesterday?
Me.
I heard. Yes, Laser,
It's
you
not
did.
recording laser. But everyone didn't trust. Only I tried to trust.
Okay, Sidra.
Laser, what kind of squeaky voice is that you're talking? I have a voice changer. Voice changer. Yeah. He can change to any voice, even like a girl, too.
That is more like a bird.
No, more like a peacock. I really don't
Or
have
more
like a, or more like a chimp. Sound.
Okay,
Or
everyone.
more like a dolphin. Dolphin.
Let's do one thing. Everyone prepare a different voice. I'll come one by one. Okay?
No, I don't want to. I don't. Nah, I'm out. I'm out. Peace. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. No bye-bye. Milan?
He left. Barira.
He joined back. I know he is there. Hi, Sidra, are you prepared for the presentation?
No. Ma'am, what are they doing?
That is not
They
fair.
need some more time. Give them like 2 days. What are they going to do? I did it within 1 day.
Yeah, Haya did it in one day.
Me too.
Yeah.
What?
Canva presentation.
Laser did it in about animals?
Animals was good. Who's going to do tomorrow and definitely going to do
Ma'am, but
tomorrow?
we didn't see the animals presentation of mine. Wait, can I do?
I was not here. Can you do it again? I was actually talking
Ma'am.
to Sidra.
Okay.
Yes?
Ma'am, wait, they are all doing the animal project?
It's not a project. It's like additional information.
Ma'am,
Can I do two? Can I also do one too, ma'am?
Will you
Please.
do it tomorrow for sure? Without
Yeah, I'll show you in the Canva.
Okay. Guys,
Ma'am.
Milan is doing tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I do
I'll
one?
finish it in 1 day. It will be so easy.
Ma'am, can I do another one?
Of course, Aya. Definitely. It is my
Can you give me a theme?
Let me think. Animals is done. So planets are done. How about any ideas, anyone? Only do birds. How about birds?
How about the human body?
Yes, I can do birds.
Human body sounds good. Haya, go with the human body.
That's gonna be hard.
Okay, then go with birds.
Just see the organs, and say something about them that other day has for. Ma'am, what can I make animals?
Chicks.
Ma'am, can I do?
Milan
Ma'am, what
will do
animals?
human body. So Haya will do the birds.
What, ma'am?
Human body.
Human body?
Yes.
Can I do animals, ma'am?
Then Milan can do animals. Haya, human body.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I do?
I'll do birds. That's animals. This is birds. They're different, whole different thing.
Hamila, what topic would you select? See, those who are participating
Ma'am,
actively.
can I select cheetah? Like,
I'm select one animal. You're doing facts about them, and you're asking questions. So you will have to take many animals, right? Amila,
So
let me
should-
think what topic to give you.
so ma'am, I should make like how Alpha T did?
Yeah, and at the end, questions should be there.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me think, Amila.
Okay.
Get some inspirations.
Everyone else read it, right?
Ma'am, here. I made it.
There's no question, GK questions.
There is questions.
Where are the questions?
I'll show you.
Amila, will you do sports?
Sports?
Yep.
This is just like revision.
Can you do sports?
Start up.
These are
Okay.
the questions.
Or general knowledge? Like what is the capital of India? Which is the fastest animal? General knowledge?
Sports. Okay.
Which one would you prefer?
Okay, I will. Sports.
Okay. Who all are doing? Milan is doing, Haya is doing, Amila is doing. Okay. You have to ask Alpate. Like you have to ask and they have to answer.
Yeah, okay.
Who answered
Wait.
yesterday?
Highland cattle have very long, thick hair to help them cope with the winters. White storks to nest on top of tall buildings.
Ma'am, should I finish by tomorrow or today?
Cliff faces.
Tomorrow?
Moose lose their antlers in the winter and grow new ones in the spring. Great white sharks can have up to 7 rows of razor-sharp teeth. The three-toed sloth is the world's slowest mammal. Highland cattle have very long and dash hair.
Who can answer what kind of hair they have? I think Joanne knows.
Joanne did it before.
Joanne,
How I can prepare sports?
Long and thick.
long and
Yes,
thick.
correct.
Good
White
job,
storks
Aishin.
like to nest on tall.
Okay. Nest on tall. Sidra.
Buildings? Correct. The Cree goat can climb almost dash cliff faces.
Dash with faces. No, no.
7. 7.
Amila? Aishi?
Ma'am, me.
I didn't get you.
It's 7. No, wrong.
Oh, close, I think, close.
Look, vertical.
Almost vertified.
Faces. But I should
Vertical.
try. Good job, Aishi. Okay. So, next, we'll present tomorrow. Good job, Alfati. Thank you so much.
Rooster, dash, and the bonds in spring.
Ma'am, how can do like sports?
Sports, just find out interesting facts, recent facts.
Ma'am, I got. Ma'am, I got.
Like football. Like football player like that.
Sorry?
Like football player.
Yeah, you can do
And
that.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Can I, instead of this birds, can I take insects? I just got this in my mind by now.
You can use that, yes. Milan will do the birds, right? You do insects.
No, give it to Amila. Amila is it? She
I'm gonna do
wants.
birds. Okay. Happy?
Okay.
Okay. Bye guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy. See ya. Enjoy, Max. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.